Hi YouTube family! My name is Elysia English and welcome back to my channel. Today, Philip and I are heading to one of my favorite places to go to an antique market. I used to actually have a booth there with a lot of my own wares and it has new ownership now. So we're going to go and do a tour today and see if we can find anything great. And we have a challenge because I'm gonna find a cooler item than he's gonna find.
No, I don't think so. I think I'm gonna find the coolest item.
Well, we're challenging ourselves to find the coolest item and we're gonna show you what we find. Many of our YouTube family members have been asking for a formal introduction of who my husband is, the cameraman behind all of our videos. And so this is my Philip.
Hi YouTube family, I'm Philip, and normally I'm behind the camera, but today I get to come antiquing.
You better get your lucky pants on because I'm gonna find the better item today.
I definitely have my lucky pants on. But leave a comment down below, who do you think is gonna find the better item? And are you wearing your lucky pants? Because Elysia can't contain herself. Let's go antiquing.
We just arrived at Brickyard Antiques. We're gonna go in and do some treasure hunting.
When I'm antiquing, I love to look in the little cabinets because all the little trinkets, usually the vendors, they put all the good stuff inside. So I always take a look inside and make sure I see everything in the booth. This antique mall has so many booths and so much stuff. It just goes on and on and on. Oh, that's amazing. Look at that bird. Oh, that's cool. Oh, look at the didgeridoo. Maybe on another episode, I'll actually show off my didgeridoo talent. I'm quite the didgeridooist.
I have to find a better item than Philip, so I'm on the other side where he isn't so that I can find something without him seeing. Maybe I'll give myself a leg up on him. This thing's adorable. I love that.
Okay, today I'm definitely gonna win this antique thing. Usually when I'm antiquing, I'm looking for like history stuff, World War II stuff, you know, Canadian history stuff, but today I'm looking, because it's almost Valentine's, I'm gonna look for something for Elysia. And I know we need a fan in our room, and this is an amazing antique fan.
I've been looking for one of those accordion wood shelving units that have the pegs and they're vintage, and I find them all the time at the secondhand store. I never pick them up because I didn't have a spot for it. Well, of course, now that I'm looking for one, I haven't been able to find any, and I just found one on the wall in this booth. Wall rack, $10. I'll have to remember where that is.
Oh, those are cool. Those would look so nice on hanging on the wall. Those are amazing.
What'd you find? Oh, those are amazing.
These old vintage snowshoes. Are you trying to find what I'm doing? Huh?
I'm trying to get a leg up on him.
Oh my gosh. You keep looking over in your end.
Of course, he found the booth with all the fishing gear in it.
There are some super cool lures in here.
We found this really cool Bassett statue.
He's amazing. Hey, bud.
Aw. This amazing hamper. So cool. I'm looking in this booth because they have a lot of old little like military items, and I found this amazing little side lamp, and it's a grenade with a pin. I know Philip will love it. So I'm gonna see if I can sneak it to the front and pay for it without him noticing. I always look at the back of the antique markets because usually there's a section of furniture that doesn't really fit anywhere else. And sometimes because they're trying to move it, they put a discount price on it. Look at this cool krill fishing basket.
Oh, that's amazing.
Even just as a wall hanging, it is so nice.
It's beautiful, but Mom could make a better one.
Probably.
Leave a comment if you think my mom could make a better one. It is beautiful though. This is by far my favorite booth.
I love the little booklets, like the old fishing booklets.
Oh, do you think they'll help you catch a fish? Fish and feel fit.
Okay, I have to get this basket. It's the all kinds of right coral. It even has the lid with the little handle on top. And I think it would match our new bedroom reno. Look, it's a home hardware truck, like a vintage home hardware truck. How much is it? 45. We have to get this for Graham.
Oh my gosh, it's amazing.
He could put it in his office.
Yes, that's a
It even
must.
has a back door.
Oh my.
Okay, we have to get this. There are a lot of really cool old Tonka trucks that are collectible, and I've seen so many of them at different yard sales and antique stores and stuff, but I've never come across a home hardware truck. So this little 2-piece truck set is perfect for us to give as a little gift to our favorite McNaughton's home hardware store owner, Graham. He will be able to put this in his office, so we're gonna surprise him with it this week.
Okay, I've searched this whole place and I keep coming back to this fan. I have to get it. I'm gonna get it for Elysia. I know she's gonna love it. And it's kind of a 2-for because I'm gonna win this competition and I'm gonna give it to her for Valentine's Day.
I'm taking you down this aisle where my booth used to be. I was booth B21, and so I'm gonna show you what's in my booth space that I used to have now. So this was where my booth was. And now it has all this beautiful farmhouse decor in it. Now that the new owners have taken over, all of these booth spaces are freshly painted white, and it's just so much cleaner and more fresh in here than when I was back here. And you know I love Pyrex, so I have to go in and check out this booth with all the Pyrex dishes. What do you think of my new hat? It's not that cold today, but this is a really warm hat. I know. I need some lockers.
These would look so good in the mudroom.
I know. We need a spot for the kids' backpacks and coats and stuff. We had so much fun antiquing at the Brickyard, so thank you so much to the Brickyard for letting us do a tour today. It brought back so many great memories of when we had our booth there a couple of years ago. Philip and I would spend yard sailing season looking for the best deals we could on the coolest items to fill up my booth space, as well as a bunch of handmade items that I put in the space. So it was really cool to see what the booth is like now and just to see the revamp that the new owners have done to this building. It looks completely different than what it looked like 2 years ago when I was there. So I think it was pretty fun there today.
Yeah, I had a blast. It brought back a lot of good memories of like me and you going on tons, endless finds, hunts. We traveled across Canada looking for antiques, and that's something that I want to do again.
We did a trip to the West Coast, all the way across Canada West 2 years ago, and then we did an East Coast trip the year after, and we hit every secondhand store and vintage antique place we could find along the way, and it was a crazy adventure.
It was amazing.
We're looking at doing something like that again in the future, so if you want to see that, then comment down below because we need an excuse for a really fun vintage holiday. So we are going to reveal our finds, and I'm pretty sure I found a cooler item than you did.
I'm pretty sure I found the coolest item.
Actually, one of our favorite items that we found today was the gift that we found for the store owner of the home hardware that supports our channel a lot, who lives in our local community. So this morning we took a few minutes and went and took a wrap gift to the owner, Graham, at Home Hardware. And so now that Home Hardware truck is not in an antique market, but it's actually where it belongs, a Home Hardware store.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so we were excited to take that for him this morning. So I think that was our best find, but we did have a challenge, and I'm pretty sure I'm the winner. So you need to vote in the comment section, which of these finds do you think was cooler? Mine, mine, or Philip's. So we're going to show you what we found.
Okay, so when we were antiquing, Elysia and we didn't know what each other got for each other because we took our items to the front. Elysia knows what I got for her now, and she loves it. Super awesome. Antique, I think teal. I'm colorblind, so I can't see color. Elysia always asks me, this color or this color, and I'm like, you're asking the wrong person. So her color choices, I know always are her color choices, but so this fan, pretty awesome, right?
We needed one.
Yeah, we did need one.
We like to have a fan running in the bedroom, so this is perfect. So thank you for getting the fan for me.
You're welcome, honey. So if you like what I got for you, Elysia, make sure you let me know. Okay, I'm not sure you can top that, But let's see what you got, honey.
I'm really excited about the item that I found because I know the types of things that Philip always looks for when we go yard sailing and antiquing. He loves anything that has anything to do with like war memorabilia, Canadian history, lots of different, you know, memorabilia for different things that have happened. And so I really knew as soon as I walked into this one booth that they had the most amazing items, and somehow I think he missed this booth while we were looking. So I didn't showcase it at all, grabbed the item that I wanted to surprise him with and took it to the front. The funniest thing about this whole challenge was that at the end, we ended up deciding on something for each other, but that wasn't the plan going in. So it always is funny how it turns out that way. But this is the item that I found for Philip. It is a grenade light. I need to find a really small shade for it, but there wasn't one there for me to choose from. So I'm gonna give this a really good cleanup, but it has the pin and everything attached to it, and it actually works. So we stuck in one of these more like round Edison looking bulbs to be able to kind of see how it glowed last night, and it looks so cool. So I'm excited to find the perfect shade for it. Do you like it?
I love it.
I snuck this so fast, I had to give you a detour. It has all of the like little maneuvering parts and the pin and everything is all there. And I was so thrilled when I got home that it actually worked.
It's amazing. Thanks, honey.
Okay, who won the challenge? Leave a comment down below. Who do you think's item was cooler, mine or Philip's? Today was a lot of fun, and you should give me a like on that like button because I finally convinced Philip to come on a video with me. I think that deserves a little recognition because you think he did pretty great today. We're pretty excited to be able to get him on the channel a little bit. I know you guys have been asking, so I'm happy to have introduced him during this video and just to show you who it is that's kind of with me behind the camera making our content. So this is my Philip, and he is always here with us. He reads all of your comments, and he's so much a part of our channel behind the scenes. I do not know how to edit videos, and he always helps out and does absolutely everything to make sure that he shows all of the good sides and all of the fun stuff that's going on in the shop, the good, the bad, and the ugly. So yeah, thank you for coming today and
welcome.
being on the video.
You make it easy to shoot, and you're really easy to film. So it was super fun to do this and be on the other side of the camera a little bit more. I more enjoy being on the other side of the camera, but it was super fun.
We are going to be doing a lot more of this vintage find, treasure hunting, antiquing as the warmer weather comes. When we're in Canada right now, it's winter, so no one's having outdoor yard sales. And so it's something that we really do a lot of in the warmer weather, and we cannot wait to get on the streets and look and find some treasures to be able to showcase in a lot of the content that we're going to do, as well as on our Instagram, and I'm even be able to put some of my vintage small items on my Etsy shop because I know you guys are asking for some of that small item stuff that are treasures that I'm finding on my adventures. So thank you so much for coming along with us today on the antique market. We have a really fun project coming for you on tomorrow's video. I'm transforming an old bookcase into the first addition to our mudroom makeover. We are doing a mudroom makeover finally this week that we're gonna show you guys, and we're really excited to tackle that space. Living in Canada in messy winters and living with all boys means that a mudroom is a must, but I don't want a muddy, messy mudroom. I want an organized, boho, earthy kind of mudroom.
I'm okay with that.
Okay, so we are going to tackle DIY tomorrow, which is an extreme upcycle. So don't miss tomorrow's video.
I'm not.
Before we end this video, you want to make sure that you follow the card I'm going to put above because you want to enter into our January giveaway. We're giving away one of my handmade Elysia English brand aprons that you can find on my Etsy shop. You'll be able to choose what design that you want, and we're going to be announcing that on February 14th. So check out our 5 fun, easy Valentine's idea video to be able to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. You can only win if you're part of our YouTube family. And there's 83,000 of us in this family, so you want to join. Also, we are going to be doing a February giveaway, and we are giving away a Silhouette Cameo 3. You also have to be part of our YouTube family. We'll be giving you some details on how to enter that giveaway after February 14th. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much to everyone for all of the messages, love, and support you guys send us. We love reading all the comments and all of the amazing stories you guys send to our email, Instagram, and even letters in the mail. So thank you so much. We love you guys, and we'll see you on tomorrow's video. Bye.
Or should I say, hi YouTube family, I think I should introduce myself.
Yeah.
I'm Elisia's husband, Philip. You can call me Philip.
Oh my gosh.